All right. So
This is it.
we were able to go to Disneyland because of these beauties. So that's another video. So unboxing.
Not because of these. We're going on vacation.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna do 4 different sets of videos for these items. So we're gonna start with that one, and then second video for those 2 there, third video for that one, and then last video for the 4 little ones. All right.
No, we're gonna separate these 2.
Separate videos for those 4.
Yeah, for this one, and then this is separate. There's.
Huh?
So
5 videos.
Yeah, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Alright. You're the boss. Okay. Alright, next one. VCA. Mommy, why are you wearing gloves?
Huh?
Why are you wearing gloves?
It's VCA. I gotta wear gloves for VCA.
You don't want your fingerprints on them?
Nope. So this is the certificate of authentication.
I mean,
Authenticity certificate. And then
that was a strong DC's.
And huh?
That was a strong DC's for you. Strong one.
What's the strong one?
Huh?
Huh? Accent? And this is the care card.
Who reads those? The people I should read those.
I don't. Well, before you buy, you should know how to care for them if you want to keep it. How, especially with Van Cleef, because of the different stones have different like hardness. So you should know before you buy.
Are those gloves?
This is your gloves.
Are those my gloves for my uniform?
Yeah. They're nice, but they're warm. All right, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay. Ready. I'm gonna do this here because I'm gonna put it back in the box. I like to display.
No.
No, because I like to display my boxes. Because when you
like
put
that.
them, yeah, when you put them in a box like this box, sometimes it builds mold. So I just like to display them.
I
Ready?
thought we need to be like Imelda Marcos. Where we have.
No, her shoes molded.
Huh?
Her shoes molded.
Oh, did?
Yeah.
What? With all room temp and everything?
No, I think it's in the AC. It's still molded.
Oh, that sucks.
You need a dehumidifier.
All those shoes.
I know. I think some, not all. But I just love their boxes.
Huh?
I love their boxes. Oh, I didn't think of it like that, but now that you say it, this look like a coffin. All right. 1, 2.
Look like a battalion logo there. You just need to put 4. Battalion 4.
Ah!
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Like,
That's a nice blue. So this is a blue agate.
Agate. That can go on.
Agate, Agate. So it depends where you're from.
Agate, dude.
Agate? Agate.
Well, it's French.
Well, it's blue.
You gotta pronounce it in French.
And Papa picked the lighter one. There was a darker blue, but I do kind
pop up
of.
more.
Yeah, I like this kind of blue because I have the onyx and carnelian. So this is a nice pop.
Did you get this LinkedIn?
No, I don't think I'm gonna lengthen this. Yeah. So yay, I have the blue. Nice. So this is like hardness. It's up there with the carnelian and onyx. That's why I like it. I can wear it as a bracelet because my mop, I only wear it as necklace because it's so delicate.
That's good information if I knew what you were talking about. But
That's why I'm informing you.
that was like,
Now you know.
that was like foreign to me when you just said some chameleon and what was the other one?
Carnelian.
Carnelian and what was the other one?
The carnelian is the red carnelian. Onyx is black. And they're the hardest stones in VCA.
Just call them red and black and blue.
Alright, there's our blue agate. 5 motif.
Yay.
Vintage Alhambra.
Pretty.
She's gonna go night night for now.
Alright, eat them up, box.